Welcome back to the lecture series of Python programming. In this session, we are going to discuss one topic called reference in Python. That means how the how the variables, how the variables and data structure works. That we are going to discuss. Okay. So the significance of assigning the variable, and there are different type of data structure like a dictionary, a list. Okay. So how it is going to be operated with respect to the changes in variables. Okay. So we are going to discuss the referencing in Python. What is the meaning of reference in Python with the help of some examples. So let's have a discussion. So first and the foremost, we are going to discuss the importance of references. The references are very essential for understanding how the variables and data structure operate. That is the meaning of referencing. For example, let us give an example. Spam is a variable. I am assigning the value 42. Later, I am going to assign like a new variable called cheese. Whatever the variable, whatever the data which is stored inside the variable spam, that is going to be stored in the variable cheese. Now, if I call the, like again, I'm going to reassign the, I'm assigning a new value 100 into spam. Then if I'm recalling the value of spam, I'll be getting the answer 42 in spite of what, I'm getting 100 in spite of 42. You may think that I should get 42, but it's not happening. I'll be getting 100. Here, if I go for another example, so I'm going to assign a new variable called spam. The value is equal to 42. Then I'm assigning a new variable cheese that is equal to spam. The value of spam, I'm reassigning that for 100. New value I'm going to assign. If I recall cheese, if I go for recalling the cheese, I'm getting the 42. I think you got the point what I'm trying to explain. That means the variable that will receive the updated values that you have to understand. So this is regarding the referencing. So moving on to further some more examples so that you will be understanding. That means how the data structure adopts the changes in the variable. So list is an example of a data structure, correct? It's a data type. So we are giving one example for you. Example for the reference. We have a variable called A. I'm giving the list 1, 2, 3. There are 3 items available. I have created a new list which is stored into a variable called A. Then I am reassigning like B is equal to A. Okay, that means both A and B are referenced in the same list of objects. That's what I try to convince. Later, I am trying to modify B by doing the appending operation, like for element 4 will be added along with the list that I want to do. Then if I print the value of A, what is going to happen? The A value is getting updated. A value is getting updated as 1, 2, 3, 4. In spite of the 3 items, there are 4 items which is printed. Because we can say like both A and B are reference the same list object. So modifying it through one variable affect other. That is true. Okay. So modifying one variable that definitely impacting on other variable. That is the significance of referencing in Python. Please go through the example so that you will understand. I request you to type the same program in your interpreter so that you will be understanding how the referencing will be happening in Python, especially for different type of data structure. So changes made to one variable can affect other if they both the reference are in the same object. That you have to remember. So like you can see x is equal to 1, 2, 3. I'm changing y is equal to x. Whatever the value which is stored in x, that is going to be stored in y. I'm going to modify like appending y dot append 4. Then what is going to happen? The new element will be printed. Another one is called what is the meaning of passing the reference. We'll be talking about the passing the reference. So what is the meaning of pass? Pass means to provide an argument to a function. To provide the proper argument to the function, that is the meaning of pass. Changes made to mutable object inside the function can affect the original object outside the function. That means if we created one list at the beginning, later if you are reassigning the particular list to another variable, then if you are trying to modify the other variable, the original object is going to be changed. That you can verify. So this is a typical example. I created a new function, user-defined function. Later, I'm going to go for appending operation. Later, what like original list is 1, 2, 3. If I go for like a modified list, I'll be getting 1, 2, 3, 5 because I'm going to go for appending operation. Changes in one variable affect the original variable. That is actually called referencing. Okay. So the shape or the original object is going to be changed if you do this kind of referencing. Okay. This is what you can understand from the session. Kindly try to work out this example. Definitely will be understanding. You can write the same thing in the examination. So in this session, we discussed about the references in Python. What is the meaning of reference in Python? So in the coming session, I'm going to discuss about copying in Python, significance of copying. Okay. If you have any queries, please do let me know. I request you to like this video. If the video is pleased with you, you can share with your friends and colleagues. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.